Do these look familiar? The cosmos, they get so tall so fast. Aren't these pretty? We got pinks, we got a darker burgundy, and then we got a white one coming. But since these are so tall, I'm going to cut them way back. I've enjoyed them already. Some of the blossoms. You can see what they're going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and trim the rest. Yes, they're beautiful, and I'm going to take and put these in something so I can enjoy them indoors for a little bit. But they will benefit greatly being cut back. This variety of cosmos just gets really leggy, really fast. And they are a taller variety. And I'll have the name on this video. But they're so pretty. This, like I said, I maybe mentioned before, just appreciate a thumbs up on this video. It helps me grow my channel. This variety of cosmos, they're in a lot of the wildflower mixes. I'm going to take these way down, guys and gals. Should have got to it sooner, but you know how time is. Could I root these? Absolutely. I mean, if you want extra plants, free plants, do it. And these have been out in the greenhouse, so you really can't help. They just like to stretch. They just get really tall very quickly. The plants in themselves seem pretty sturdy. Look a little better. They're still plenty tall. Plenty tall. I could have took them down even further. Okay, you see me cut them back, right? Can you see where I cut right here? These two stems have come up. So now it's double. We're going to have double blooms. I'm going to do this on all the cosmos. And I'm going to show you what happened. Do you think they rooted? What do you think? I took this top piece, I took this cutting, I took several cuttings. Here's another one right here. All these 3 cuttings. Let's see if they rooted. They've all grown nice. Hey everyone, today's June 1st. And we're going to go out and see how the cosmos are doing. The ones that we cut back and rooted in water. Let's go see how they're doing right now. Well, here they are. And as you can see, they just keep growing taller and taller and taller. But you can see how they rooted really nice. So here we go again. We got free plants, more plants. Some of these even have buds on them. So what I plan to do is just cut the blossoms off and plant them in the garden is what I'm going to do. They did really well, didn't they? They had no trouble rooting in water. So today is June 1st. And some have done better than others, but I think they weren't in the water all the way. Look at this one. Really nice. Pretty ferny cosmo. Really nice looking. So just for fun, I'm putting them in a little vase to enjoy them for a day or two. They're probably not going to last very long, but aren't they pretty? It's really pretty. So I planted all of them in the garden and they're starting to take off. Look at the blooms already. Aren't them pretty? I got these grown in a sun to part shade to get some cooler air in the afternoon, and I think they'll do better in this area. We'll see how they do long term here through the summer, and I'll also have some in full sun. I did add some, intermingle them into my purple coneflower right through there because I'm not sure if they're going to bloom this year, but they're sure coming around too. But you can see the cosmos in there. They are not blooming. There might be maybe just one blooming so far, but they're coming. Willow's enjoying the cool air in the house today. She's getting better in the house. Since she'll be 2 in December, they say they gotta wait till about 2 for these cattle dogs to settle down. So I can hardly wait. But she's being very good right now. So now you know that cutting back your cosmos, you can root them in water and have more plants. It's pretty similar to most things that you do when you cut them back. You're always going to grow new stems on the side of where you cut. This variety of cosmos always gets really tall very quickly, and they've been in the greenhouse for quite some time. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, go ahead and do that right now. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I have new content coming on my garden channel.